kick a fast food habit, you might want to try making your favorites at home with fresh ingredients. I will show you how to make lower calorie chicken nuggets, fries, and a milkshake. It's really quick and easy. This recipe works great if you have an air fryer, but if you don't, you can still do it in an oven. Starting off with the nuggets, you will need chicken breast. Cut it into nugget-sized pieces and set aside. Whisk 1 egg in a bowl, and in a separate dish mix oat flour and season to taste. I like the flavor of oat flour, but you can do plain or whole wheat flour. Bread the chicken pieces by dipping in the egg and then the flour. I did it twice for a crispier, thicker breading. Place the chicken pieces in an air fryer or oven and cook until golden brown on both sides, flipping them midway. While that's baking, cut potatoes in long, thin pieces and put them in cold water to wash off some of the starch. Dry the fries off well and place them in an oven or air fryer. Spray them with cooking spray and cook until crispy. Once they are done, salt them lightly. And finally the shake, it's the simplest thing. Put frozen raspberries, skimmed milk and ice cubes in a blender and blend them together. All that's left is to grab your McDonald's containers and serve. If you like the recipes, why not subscribe so you don't miss future uploads? Thanks for watching.